I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with your feeder flash for Tuesday, December the 19th, where all of a sudden we've got technical support after that big run-up that the market saw on Friday. The lines on the graph show support, and those lines don't know it's Christmas time and everything's slowing down, but it's kind of like reading your horoscope. If it's general enough and enough people believe in it, then it's going to happen, and there's a lot of people believe in it, and it looks like we've got some bullish factors coming here to end the year with. But look at the board on Monday. February live cattle was down 42 cents to end the day at 120.60. Now your December ran up another dollar to $1.07 higher, ending the day at 119.97. And that December is more comfortable finishing in there close to what February's at, and it's trying to chase it down. March feeder cattle down 30 cents to end the day at 145.25. Your weighted average on last week's fat cattle trade on 93,900 head. That's the biggest negotiated movement we've seen in the 5 areas for quite a while, leading right into these holiday short and kill weeks. But you know, that's another positive factor. You compare that 93,900 head to last year, the same week, 70,900 head. But your weighted average live steer price was 119.71, with prices ranging from 118 to 120.5. But that was up $2.25 compared to the weighted average of the previous week. Your dress sales ran from 188 to 190, and the weighted average there was 188.92, and that was $1.86 higher than the weighted average from the previous week. Maybe our box beef cutout values have bottomed out too. We saw a jump in them early in the week this week, and we thought maybe they would continue to fade like they had all last week, right up until the new year. But maybe guys are starting to fill their shelves up because they know there's going to be some get-togethers for the New Year's holiday too, and everybody's just real optimistic about everything. If you notice, on Monday, that was the 70th time that the stock market hit a new record. And you know, people are riding that Trump train, and they're excited about these tax cuts. It looks like they're going to get done here before the end of the year, and there's just a lot of optimistic feelings out there. But you look at choice cutouts, 203.15 up $1.28 compared to Friday. Selects 185.01 up $1.76. Now the calf deal on your feeder cattle, you know, we talked late last week that your calves just kept going up and up and up, even though we're going into a really dry winter and there's not going to be a lot of available feed here all of a sudden. And if you look down the road at your fat cattle market, after April it really starts diving off into June, and then by August it's $10 lower than what the April is. But your calves did start to back up on Monday there, and your big feeders selling pretty good. Your real-time index on Beef Market Central, based on the 800-pound steer, late Monday was at 150.171. That's down just 12 cents. But pretty good market there, as we're starting to see a lot of your auctions be closed for the holidays. Oklahoma National Stockyards in Oklahoma City had 6,200 head. Feeders there kind of unevenly steady, and the calves were uneven too, just mixed bag, from $3 lower to $3 higher. They did comment that the quality maybe not the best, and it makes you wonder if some of your shippers down in the southeast didn't want to get rid of what they had in the pens and just kind of clean the slate, because they're going to be closed down for 2 full weeks there, and just not any way to turn those cattle into cash. But and then a mix of some good local cattle in there too, and just an uneven market. Joplin Regional Stockyards was much the same way. They had 5,800 head, and their market was uneven, ranging from $3 lower to $5 higher. Now, Oklahoma's National Stockyards in Oklahoma City, they're going to be closed for the next 2 weeks, all the way through. They will not have a feeder sale until the 8th of January. But Joplin Regional Stockyards will have a sale the day after New Year's. It won't be their regular Monday sale. It'll be a Tuesday sale on January the 2nd. So they're going to get back to business. You look at another big market on Monday. McCook, Nebraska had calves, some lower on Monday, but feeders were $2 to $5 higher. And you look at the report out of Tri-State Livestock, and McCook On Cattle Market Central, you see the popular weights there are 521 head of 6-weight steers average 634 at 163.04, and 437 head of 7-weight steers average 757 at 160.07. High individual quote that I saw was out of Joplin Regional Stockyards just after 11 o'clock on Monday. A big string of big steers, 272 head of steers weighed 901 at 155 1/4. That's your feeder flash for Tuesday.